Welcome to Trade Doc, Theta Options Trader, where we recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Today is December 12th, 2016. Market just closed about 2 minutes ago, and the market seemed closed up mixed, with the S&P down about 1/4%, the Russell 1 1/4%, Nasdaq down 3/4%, and the Dow's the only one up about $16, which is close to 1/10%. It's 19,773. Keeps going up. Taking a look at the futures, they come up. Hold on. Looks like they closed in the red. The Dow up 1/10%. 30-year bonds coming up pretty much unchanged. The VIX is up almost 2%. Crude was up a lot higher in the beginning of the day. Natural gas took a big smack. It was a warm day today after the snowstorm. It's down 6 1/4%. Gold is up about 1/4%, 1164, still cheap. Silver came up pretty strong. It's up to $17.14. That was quick. Copper came down to 260. The Nikkei is down. The dollar is down 0.5%, but still up. British pound came up almost a full percent. The Mexican dollar is still under a nickel. And the euro is 106.37. Look at the charts. Like I said, this is crude. And it came big gap in the morning. Some average volume here. That's pretty much worth noting. Just really average volume. And I had a big gap up. Here it's at the January low channel. Call that channel the January low. So this, if it breaks below this pink line, which is 1050, 1060, we'll see some bearishness a lot, going to like $35. But for now, crude had a big gap up and on pretty much a little higher volume than it's been in the last couple of days, but it's coming back down. I have no position on that. I got Oil Explorers came up, but it looks like they closed perfectly, and I am short with the ETF drip. Just bought it, no options setting. So with this one here, we want to short. They prime gave us that nice signal to go short on the Oil Explorers. Broke its trend line. Natural gas, big gap down. Kind of has to run through the support to keep moving down. We're still short on it. I mean, we've been short on it for a while. Probably like during the week on DGAS, the ETF. I'm just gonna put this mark here because we're short, not short on any options for the natural gas. Gold, we're long, still closed below its 20-day moving average. Should see this reverse on to the upside. Gold miners pretty much were up 1/4%, came down a half the second half of the day, but I'm sure we should see some reversal going on here. Let's just give it a quick mark. So that fits. Kind of moving up there. Silver came up 1.25%. We're gonna keep looking for that move up. Let's see what the support levels here. It's gonna be trading in that. Still respecting these ranges here, where this is the overhead supply line. Break these two yellow lines, we should see more upside. Follow this line. If it breaks below this line, then it's going bearish. Energy sector kind of filled its gap here. Had a little small gap to fill. that's completed. So if you had any shorts up here, then you did well. I'd cover and leave it there because it's still above its 20-day moving average. We'd like to see this break to go short, but there's a lot of things, a lot of trades because everything's been going up and up and up and up. We'd like to just, there's less risk going short than there is going long. The utility sector came up another percent, and we wanted to go short on them. Now it's above this trend line, so we have to reverse that, take whatever losses we did get. But that's the name of the game. Take a little loss, not a big one. Industrial sector came down about 1/4%, still closed above its 20-day moving average. Everything's high, so there's no buying here. I like to see it break this channel and trend line before going short on it. And this is material sector, which I'm still trying to get filled on. But the material sector, we definitely have a short on there. Broke this trend line. Now we're waiting to make sure it breaks this trend line of this channel, which I think it will. At least trade to the bottom end of this channel here. This is healthcare sector. No position on healthcare. Came up about 0.5%. Moved above this May support level of 68.68. So we might be seeing 68.68 being the new support for the healthcare sector, which makes that just going mechanical. This healthcare sector is a buy, or at least some sort of calendar in this range there. And retail, real estate sector still moving up. That trend line came down but came back up. This is home builders, a little old coming off the oversold portion of it. We'll see where this goes, but home builders, I'm sure they're doing well because everything's getting built everywhere. But since today it looks like it closed below, I think I'm going to be kicking myself for not shorting the home builders today, but can't get no position. Retail is one to get long on for the long run, that is. Short term, trading it up and down. There's the support level there, and that's actually coming from over here. So there's a support level which is 46.43 for the retail sector, and it's the holidays, so that's where you see that big ramp up. Did close above, it's and on big volume, so this is all good volume here, and it did close above its 20-day moving average. So I like to either pick it up at this support level, or if it moves up again, let's buy it. And financials, it could be up and down on Wednesday. Nose spies kind of knocking its head up there. Looks like it's kind of getting tired. Looking for this support level here. Ooh. New support there. So this is for the spies. And don't have no positions on it, just long a few ETFs. And the Dow is one of the biggest one to go short on. So it looks like it's definitely in the last couple sessions running out of steam, you'd say. Still colors above. Let's see what happens when once it pinches, but to make a call, start building a short position on it. Start building a short position doesn't mean go all in. Put a fifth of what you like to go short with. Yeah, the Q still closed above, so we're not gonna do anything there. Anyways, be safe trading, and if you don't feel comfortable, don't do it. Thanks.